is an adventure, a collection of moments. Have you done it? Have you ever climbed a mountain high? Have you ever seen a tiger cry? I have been to Paris twice, I have eaten spicy rice, but I haven't seen the moon up close. That's the thing I miss the most. Have you ever been in love? I have walked in the rain, I have felt the joy and pain, but when did you go? I went last year. Past is specific, perfect is near. Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever traveled all alone? She has met the president, he has slept in a yellow tent. We haven't finished the work today, we haven't found the words to say. Have you ever been in love? I have walked in the rain, I have felt the joy and pain, but when did you go? I went last year. Past is specific, perfect is